the first thing I would do is get rid of the radical. So write that in exponential form. And this is a square root, and of course it's raised to the first power. So rewrite that as 81ac to the 1/2. And now we have that property of logarithms that you can move this exponent down in front. So that's 1/2 log base 3 of 81 times a times c. Now let's expand this logarithm. This is 1/2 times log base 3 of 81 plus log base 3 of a plus log base 3 of c. Now, we'll have to distribute that 1/2, but for now, let's just leave it out front. This is log base 3 of 3 to the 4th. Let me erase that. 81 is 3 to the 4th. 3 to the 4th plus log base 3 of a plus log base 3 of c. Now we have that property that says that whenever these match, the whole thing simplifies to the exponent. So that's 1/2 times 4 plus log base 3 of a plus log base 3 of c. Now distribute the 1/2, and that gives me 2 plus 1/2 log base 3 of a plus 1/2 log base 3 of c.